Hi, this is Capcom1 here, back again with No Chance, and this is not my next part of the playthrough, and the next part I will be playing off the save that I made at the end of the previous part, where I had bought the blue and the yellow key, but I just wanted to show what is a better way to manage the blue key area so you don't run so low on ammo. So I loaded my save that I had at the beginning of part 2 and got myself in a very similar condition to what I was at when I was about to enter the blue key area. I think I had 5 rockets left to be precise at that point, and my health was in the 50s. And now I didn't take care of, in this particular demonstration, I didn't take care of all the enemies in this central room yet, but that's besides the point. Now what I did in my official part 2 video is that what I did when I got to this area is I took these cells to refill my plasma and then retreated. And that deprived me of some ammo I could have had later on, because what I should have done is go back to the central area where I am now, and there were a lot of cells by the yellow key that I did not need. So what I should have done is go there to refill my cells and just do as many tries as necessary without taking any damage. Hey, I did it in that try. Refill my cells at the yellow key, and now there's been plenty of warnings about this level just in the reviews I read on the internet that is heavily dependent on foreknowledge, and in this case I guess it's just dependent on making sure that when you get locked into an area you have as much ammo available as possible. But anyway, since I refilled my cells at the yellow key and I already have 600 cells, but let me not fall into the lava. Since I refilled my cells there, I can now enter this area that I had such a hard time getting out of, and I'll be triggering the same trap, but I won't grab those boxes of cells over there, because I already filled myself up to 600. I'll just grab the mega ammo, and then do what I did before, which is just retreat and it's not easy regardless, of course. It takes many tries to get a successful retreat here. But if I can retreat, and then BFG rush some of these ouch vials. I don't know why those monsters didn't all come back. I should have woken them up. I guess if I wait long enough to find... I didn't realize if I fire the BFG shot over here, I'll wake all those monsters up. This I just realized just now. If I grab the stuff and don't fire a shot till here... Well, actually, there I still do. But if I grab the stuff and then don't fire a shot until I'm back here, then see, they mainly don't get woken up. But that actually isn't what I want, because I do want the Cyber Demon to infight all of them. So I actually waited too long to fire the BFG shot. But I can recover from this part. I want to wake them all up because the Cyber Demon will infight them. I can get them to infight with the Cyber Demon. In my regular recorded one, I fired my BFG shot coming back soon enough that they woke up right away. It really doesn't matter which way you do it. For this part, the key is not having picked up that plasma ammo and having refilled by where the yellow key was instead. Now I'm gonna ignore that health is there because in my regular recorded run, it wasn't. I used it up already. And now, I still don't want to grab... Sorry, another program interrupted me there on Windows. I still don't want to grab those cells for the blue key fight, but I do want to grab these rockets and use these cells initially. And now once I get the blue key, just to demonstrate, I don't believe I can safely wake up those Cyber Demons. See, I don't think I'm gonna get back into safety if I do that. I might just barely be able to, but I don't know if that's the intended way to do it or not is lower one of them down right away. But it's probably possible to lower one of the cyber demons down right away if I have my BFG equipped. Obviously, I have to not get hit by the other cyber demons when doing so. But let's just say that I don't bring one of those cyber demons down, actually, given how difficult it is to do, just like I did in the previous one. I don't lower any of the cyber demons that appear in this hallway, but I refilled my plasma by the yellow key instead of by picking these plasma boxes up. And just like before, I can BFG spam after I get the key for a little while. And of course, it'll take me a lot of attempts just because of how hard the level is. That's nothing unexpected. See, I'm doing this fight again where I get all hell breaks loose after. Sometimes I need to I still got all these potatoes to mash. the Cyber Demon staying close to me more frequently than it was in my previous one. But what you're gonna find out is I could have done this fight better, probably. Actually, let me try and drag that Cyber Demon away. See if I can drag that Cyber Demon away from me a little bit. Like this, not quite neck to neck against me. But now, once all the lost souls are done with, and yes, again, I only survived that with like 5% health, but once all the lost souls are done with, I don't have much BFG ammo left as is, but I've got these 400 extra cells that I can use. So I can use those 400 cells, use that refill of cells that I didn't have to take earlier on. Now, needing to dodge the Cyber Demon's rockets, that's not gonna go away when I'm pressing those switches. But now, that refill of cells I got earlier on in the previous one, now I have a fresh 400 cells that I can work on those Cyber Demons with. Now those out valves, I'd still like them to well, I took out the first cyber. And now I have to lower down the second one. And because I didn't have a crazy amount of infighting going around, those out vials are actually still there. but I can use some of my BFG ammo to thin them out. They also haven't used all my shells either, and you can see how much of a difference those 400 extra cells will make with my ammo situation. Because I can actually get out right now. And of course there's that one renegade outfall that shows up. But then just like before, I can refill my cells again, still by the yellow key. And this is where I had ended my video. And now, as I said, when I actually resume with part 3, I will be resuming from this save, which is where I last was in my blind run. But I just wanted to show how you can have that area be a little more manageable ammo-wise, still brutal health-wise, of course, without having to resort to so many tricks from the ouch vials. That's all for now.